If you're a Nigerian who knows how to write articles, blog posts, or even simple content, you can actually get paid in dollars. Yes, people in Nigeria are currently earning money every week just by writing for clients around the world. In this video, I will show you one of the best websites that pays Nigerians to write online. I will explain exactly how the platform works, how you can sign up, how you can get your first writing job, and the mistakes you must avoid if you are to write on this particular website. And very importantly, this is not a get-rich-quick website. You will not become rich overnight. You will not. In fact, it is a website that takes consistency. If you are consistent and serious, this platform can become a real online income source, a side hustle, or even a main business. But if you are looking for where you can make money overnight, this website is not for you. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. On this channel, we'll talk about legit ways Nigerians can make money online using real websites that actually pay you. If that sounds interesting to you, take a second now to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with someone who is looking for ways to earn money online, or a friend who you know is broke and needs to find a way to make money online. Now, let's talk about this particular website that I am about to share with you. The website is called Upwork. Upwork is a freelancing website. Upwork is one of the biggest freelancing platforms in the world. Companies, businesses, and website owners use this platform to hire freelancers for different types of work. As you can see, it has over 2 million plus reviews. Over 2 million plus reviews on the platform. One of the most popular jobs on Upwork is freelance writing. Freelance writing. Businesses constantly need writers to create blog posts, website articles, product descriptions, emails, newsletters, and social media content. And many of these jobs are actually done remotely. That means you can work from home and get paid in dollars. You can also work from Nigeria as long as you can work from home. Some beginner writing jobs on Upwork pay between $5 to $20 per article, depending on what you're signing up as or what you're starting with, either as a beginner or maybe as an intermediate. Experienced writer can earn up to $50, $100, or even more just by writing a single article. And many Nigerians are already using this platform successfully. I as well have used this platform successfully. There are several types of writing jobs you can do on Upwork. Let me show you guys. There are a lot of writing jobs you can actually do on Upwork depending on what you know how to do. This for instance, you can do digital marketing jobs. You can also do content marketing. You can do SEO. You can do social media. You can do a lot of writing jobs on this platform. You can do blog writing, you can do content creator writing jobs, you can do content marketing writing jobs, you can do content strategist writing jobs. Depending on whatever you want to do, they have a lot of niches on this particular platform. Now, the SEO, the first thing is blog writing. Blog writing, many companies needs blog posts for their website to attract readers and improve their Google writing. The second one is SEO article writing. SEO stands for search engine optimization. There are articles written to help websites rank higher on Google search. The third one is copywriting. Copywriting includes writing sales pages, product descriptions, landing pages, and marketing content. Another people's job is copywriting on Upwork. You can decide to also do script writing, maybe YouTube script writing, TikTok script writing, any kind of script writing. In fact, you can also even do a movie script writing. So many YouTubers hire writers to create scripts for them on Upwork. So if you enjoy writing or storytelling, this can also be a great opportunity for you. Now let me show you how to start. First of all, you need to come to your Chrome browser like this. You minimize it like this. You come to your search bar and you type in Upwork. Now once you type in Upwork, you can decide to choose any of this. You can decide to sign up as a client, you can decide to find work, you can decide to choose freelancer. So since we are looking to make money online, we should be signing up as a freelancer. So once you once you are on their platform here, it says work the way you want, find the right work for you with great clients at the world's work marketplace. So now, as you can see, they have people, trusted people they have actually worked with. They have Microsoft, they have Airbnb, they have Automatic, they have a lot. All you need to do is to create a profile with them. You click on this create a profile. Now when you click on create a profile, they'll ask you how do you want to join. You either join as a client who is hiring for a project, or you join as a freelancer who is looking for a job. So both of us, we have to choose freelancer, and you click on apply as a freelancer. Now these are the details you need to fill out if you're trying to create an account with Upwork as a freelancer. Now bear it in mind, after you create the account with Upwork, you need to fill in the form details and everything. So when you do that, you now come and set up your profile. The profile setting is one of the most important things that you should do on Upwork. In fact, you have to include your writing skills, your experience, the sample of the writing jobs you have done. Now, if you are a beginner and you don't have writing samples yet, you can create 2 or 3 sample articles yourself and upload them as your portfolio sample. Nobody will charge you. Nobody will arrest you for creating sample jobs that that they are very, very good. Now once your profile is complete, you can begin applying for writing jobs. Yes, you will see the job listing posted by clients from different parts of the world. Each job will show you the budget. So now let's just go back to see job listing. You come here to where it says find work. Now since our work is under writing, we'll click on writing and content jobs. Now once we click on writing and content jobs, you can decide to choose book writing, content writing jobs, copywriting jobs. Let's just go in with content writing jobs. So now once you click on content writing jobs, you see the type of jobs that are available for you if you are a content writer. Now I want to talk about the best strategies that you can use as a beginner on Upwork. If you're starting, if you're just starting, do not focus on high paying jobs. As you can see, this particular guy is an entry level guy who is into marketing. He says an article, and on where they wrote the hours, he said he is not sure, and is truthful to the core here by saying it is looking for an entry level role. Yes, now you need to focus on the job, not on the high paying jobs. Also, instead of focusing on getting your first client, just focus on building good review. Good reviews are very important for you to go far on Upwork. When you deliver good work and receive positive ratings, it becomes easier to attract better clients and higher paying projects. On Upwork, they deal with reviews. Once they see that you have good reviews, even if it is just 1 or 2, clients will be willing without much conviction to hire you. In fact, some clients will work with you for maybe like 6 months. Some will work with you for like a year. If you go on TikTok, you will see remote workers that are getting jobs on Upwork, and their clients are working with them for quite a long period of time. So if at this point you are not sure, I have an ebook on Freelance. It is super affordable. The ebook is just a simple guide on how you can start up your journey on freelancing. It has sample templates for you to work on, or that you can actually use to actually apply on Upwork. It has sample proposals. Ebook will actually be like a super beginner guide for you to make your decision on the type of freelance you want to go into, how you can actually start. It is a beginner friendly guide, and also it has sample proposals. In case you don't know how to write proposals, it will give you sample proposals that you can use to start your proposal journey and start writing to clients. It will give you beautiful templates that you can actually use, and also it's just like a fast track for you to know what freelancing entails, whether you're going into content writing, SEO writing, blog writing, whatever writing that you are going into. This particular ebook will actually guide you through it, and for you to start, this particular ebook will give you sample templates, sample proposal, something that even me, I didn't even get when I started writing on Upwork. So if you want it, you can check somewhere in the description box if you see the link there. And also, if the link is not there, the link will be on the Telegram channel, but check the link either as a pin post or in the description box. You see the link there. Now, there are things you should avoid. These are some mistakes that you must avoid. First, never copy content from any website. So if they are hiring you, because we have a lot of AI writing, bots now, so if they are hiring you, try as much as you can not copy verbatim directly from website. Upwork clients often check for plagiarism, and copied content can get your account permanently banned. That is another thing to actually avoid. Very important for you to avoid that. Also, you can often check for generic work. Avoid sending generic proposal. Generic proposal means that you sending one proposals to 50 clients. Avoid it. Now, the way that you can avoid it is by tailoring your proposal to the job description. You understand? Every job does not have the same description. So if you want to send them a proposal, tailor that proposal to the job description instead of copying the same messages and pasting to all clients. Also, avoid expecting instant success. There is no guaranteed success, so just avoid expecting. Maybe if you send proposals to maybe like 10 of them, maybe you might receive 2 or 3 feedback. You are a starter, so just accept it like that. And Upwork is not a platform where you start today and you make hundreds of dollars tomorrow. No, it takes time to build your reputation. People that have started on Upwork years back, they are still building, they are still working, though they are making money, but they are still building themselves on Upwork. And you need to stay consistent, improve your writing skills, and deliver quality work. You can gradually build a steady income once you're doing that. If you're searching for a legit website that pays you to write online, Upwork is definitely one of your best platforms to try. In my next video, I will show you another website that Nigerians can get paid to write articles online on. But before you go, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with someone who might be interested. With that being said, guys, I will see you guys in another video. Thank you.